Gusto niyo bang malaman ang tamang paraan sa pagbabayad ng property na gusto mong bilhin? Good morning everyone! Another morning, another learning. I'm Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. So kung may nagustuhan ka ng property at napanood mo na ang aking video kung paano mag-due diligence, you are now ready to buy the property. If your preferred term is bank financing, I highly suggest to watch my other video kung paano magpa-approve sa bank loan para mas mataas ang chances mo ma-approve sa loan para hindi masayang ang reservation fee mo. Because most of the reservation fee here in the Philippines are forfeitable pag hindi ka na-approve sa bank unless you pay the remaining balance in full cash. So kung napanood mo na yung isang video ko tungkol sa bank approval at due diligence, better prepare the bank requirements and reserve the property. So here are the terms for bank or other financing loan. Number 1, pay your reservation fee and sign for the reservation agreement. That will be your first day. Read carefully the contract. May promise na warranty, dapat nakalagay po ito sa contract. Also, better nakalagay din sa contract na hindi pwedeng i-mortgage or ibenta ang property while hindi default ang contract. Then, process mo na agad yung loan mo. Usually, 10 to 14 days ang formal approval. Number 2, if you're already approved in the bank, kindly accept the loan agreement which is usually sent via email para mai-prepare na ni bank or ni loan institution yung mga contracts and letter of guarantee for your signature. Then settle the bank fees para ma-process at ma-release na ni bank ang letter of guarantee. Usually, 1 to 2 weeks po ang release ng letter of guarantee upon signing and paying the loan fees. Third, settle your down payment and sign a contract to sell within 30 days upon paying your reservation fee. If your down payment is installment, this will be your first down payment. Kung spot down payment naman po, you will pay the down payment in full. Kaya maganda po na approve ka na sa loan bago ka magbayad ng down payment mo. Para alam mo na if 20 or 30% ang down payment mo depending on your loan approval. Number 4, pag nag-issue na ng letter of guarantee ang bank or yung loan financing institution, you may now submit the letter of guarantee to the seller. Then magsasign na kayo ng deed of sale para matransfer na ang ownership sa pangalan mo which is required by the bank to pay the seller with the remaining balance. Para sa complete list of requirements para ma-release ang loan proceeds, please check the items written in the letter of guarantee. Number 5. Lastly, upon signing ng deed of sale, you need to settle your title transfer fees, the documentary stamp tax, transfer tax, registration fees, notarial fees, and other miscellaneous fees. Please watch my separate video para malaman mo kung magkano mga fees at magkaroon ka ng idea kung paano mag-title transfer. Then we wait sa processing ng ownership transfer. If mabilis ang transfer ng liaison or ng salesperson or ng broker, usually in 30 to 60 days lang po yan. Pero pag big developers, medyo matagal ang ownership transfer. By the way, if individual sellers ang bibilhan nila, at within Metro Manila or nearby provinces like Bulacan, Rizal, and Cavite area, we may assist you in minimal professional fee. Kami na po ang gagawa ng deed of sale at magta-transfer ng ownership sa pangalan po nila para mabilis at smooth ang title transfer natin. Just message us directly. Then, pag na-transfer na ang ownership sa pangalan nila at nasubmit na sa bank or sa other financial loan institution, in 10 to 20 working days, marirelease na po ang loan proceeds or full payment ni bank sa remaining balance mo kay seller. Then you can now occupy the house or the property. Okay, so recap po natin. Number 1, mag-due diligence. Number 2, watch my video tungkol sa bank approval. Third, pay the reservation fee and sign the reservation agreement. Fourth, submit your requirements for your housing loan. 5, pay the down payment and sign a contract to sell. Your down payment depends on your loan approval. 6, submit your letter of guarantee to the seller. 7, sign the deed of sale. 8, wait for the ownership transfer. 9, Submit the transferred title and other documents to the bank. 10. Upon the release of the loan proceeds, you may now occupy your dream home. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Sana nakatulong ang aking video. Makiusap na din po kami. Please like, follow, and share yung mga social media platforms po namin which are written down below. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa atin lahat.